Like, this is just like that back in the day. Did we not all have this hairstyle back in the day? Like, oh, this your first blowout. You about to wrap your hair on up. This was me, okay? About that life. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another one from UNiceHair. So I'm your girl Intisar, Eleanor. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. If you coming on back, hey boo, hey, thank you so much for being with me again. And we are doing another wear and go unit, this time from UNiceHair, okay? So we be getting all the styles, honey. I don't know if y'all been noticing, but we be getting all the styles. UNiceHair gave us a bunch of gifts this time. Let me show you this. It says, cannot be defined. How? Right? So we did get a glueless unit today. This is a 12-inch bob. I've been giving y'all the styles, honey. They say she's glueless. That's what they say. I didn't say it. That's what they say. So let me show you what this lace is looking like. Out the pack. Ready to go. So, ooh, that is stunning. Look how much space you have. Oh, yeah. Already out the pack, guys. This, look at this. Who that for? Who that for? Nasty. This unit at 12 inches is going for $108. She does have that 6 by 4.75 cap. Look how stunning that is. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. She has an adjustable band, okay, no strap, but she does have the latex band at the bottom just to make sure you feel safe and secure in her. So I haven't done a bob in a very long time that I felt comfortable with. That's my truth. I'm just real weird about them. So we're going to see what she's working with. But before we get into this unit, let's get into the goodies. This unit has brush, lashes. We have a wig cap as well as a Unice band. Unice so graciously provided us with some branded earrings. Look at that. Y'all is nasty. Okay. Okay, Unice. All right, my loves, let's throw on this UNice 12-inch bob wig. So I'm very impressed with this unit. The texture of the hair is very, very silky. So you're getting very beautiful hair at 12 inches and the lace is phenomenal. Get into that, like bust up on her. Get into that and look at that lace. I'm using my Makeup by Mario foundation just to get this together, okay? And I think that using a liquid foundation and dabbing it out a bit really does go a long way. So I haven't done a bob in a really long time, or what feels like a long time to me. So I'm thinking, let's dig on in and do a side part. Like the middle part wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. I didn't want to do too much cutting. So I think that let's go on through and give her the side part that she deserves. So again, this unit, the texture of the hair is phenomenal, like phenomenal. I'm using my Conair Infinity Pro flat irons to lay mother on down. This is the consummate beginner-friendly wig. If you are unsure of how to put a wig on, you have some basic styling skills, this bob unit is for you. This is by far one of the easiest units that I've had to get together. It took me absolutely positively no time to do so, okay? The largest part of this was really figuring out how to get this goddamn side part together. But other than that, this glueless technology is by far some of my favorite because it gives you the opportunity to have such an effortless look, effortless vibe, effortless wig, okay? And that's what we're really looking for in 90 and 100 degree weather. I do not have time for the bow holds today, and that's what this is giving you. So I'm just going to continue to go on through. This hair is very, very silky. I'm using my Andy straightening comb to really flatten out the lace in the front and get the humps and the bumps out as much as possible. And I'm going to go on through and really get this unit together. Now, again, she is very big head friendly. She's going for just about $115, like under $115 on UNice. But they always have some kind of promotions or something going on. So you could get it for the low. And you could do your, paying for like everybody is doing with their Klarna, AfterPay, whatever. You guys have to get you a unit like this. She is effortless. She is easy. You style her once and she's ready to go. So I'm going to shut my Mimi tap mouth, let you guys get into this, and I'll see you on the other side. Admittedly, I am on my way to the airport today. I'm going to Washington, D.C. While I'm in Washington, D.C., my husband has work, and then I'll be getting my hair braided, so I'm super excited about that. But I wanted to come and show you guys just how easy it would be to get, ooh, why did I do that? This unit together, okay? So I'm just going to go in and just blend her out a bit right here in the front. Look at how natural this looks. Like, this is just like that back in the day. Did we not all have this hairstyle back in the day? Like, oh, this your first blowout, you about to wrap your hair on up. This was me, okay? Circa, because that's none of your business. Don't be trying to age me, ho. Okay, so I'm back. This is the UNiceHair. This is the bob that's 12 inches, completely and utterly glueless, okay? She is just living her life, sitting on top of my head, ready to go. And I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. I think that she looks very natural, and I appreciate that. I told you guys in a previous video that I'm like really into the natural lengths right now, and that's what this is giving. So this unit is very big head friendly. Very big head friendly. However, that latex band in the back does make it feel very snug and secure, along with the adjustable band. Like, I think that really helps in the combs, but I'm not going to pretend like I was kind of taken aback with how big head friendly this is. Okay, so let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Let me know if my tracks is showing, sis, because I'm about to hit the flight. Are we looking good back here? So yeah, I'm like really feeling her. I think she gives like a natural look, which we love. We also love the fact that she's glueless. If you are a beginner, okay, and you're not really comfortable with laying wigs, whatever the case may be, this kind of technology is the way to go. This glueless wear and go unit is how you begin your wig journey, okay? Do me a favor, bust down. Let me know what level of wig dumb you are at. Are you a beginner? Are you a throw on a go? Are you a working girl that just need the wig to be done for work? Like, let me know. Like, I'm really curious about how you guys are wearing your units, at what pace, how often, all of that. I need to know all of that, okay? So I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.